Cakes. They come in all shapes, sizes and flavors, each one a testament to the creativity and skill of bakers around the world. They are a delightful treat, a centerpiece for celebrations and a symbol of joy and togetherness. Whether it's a birthday, wedding or any special occasion, cakes bring people together. The sight of a beautifully decorated cake can light up a room, and the taste can bring a smile to anyone's face. It's more than just a dessert, it's an experience. But have you ever wondered about the journey of a cake from simple ingredients to the delicious dessert we all love? It all starts with basic ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. Industrial cake production is a fascinating process involving a series of meticulously planned steps. It's a blend of artistry and technology where precision meets creativity. In large-scale bakeries, skilled bakers work alongside advanced machinery to produce cakes that are both visually stunning and delicious. The process is a harmonious dance between human touch and mechanical efficiency. Large bakeries work tirelessly to create cakes that are both visually appealing and scrumptious. Every cake is a masterpiece, crafted with care and attention to detail. These bakeries combine traditional baking methods with modern machinery. The use of advanced equipment ensures consistency and quality in every batch. This ensures efficiency without compromising on taste or quality. Rigorous quality control measures are in place to make sure that every cake meets high standards. From the initial mixing of dough to the final decorations, each step is carefully orchestrated. The journey of a cake is a testament to the dedication and passion of the bakers. Every swirl of frosting, every sprinkle of sugar, and every intricate design is a result of hours of hard work and creativity. The final product is a work of art. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of industrial cake production. Discover the magic that goes into creating these delightful treats and gain a new appreciation for the cakes we all love. The journey begins with the heart of the cake, the dough. This is where the magic starts, with the careful selection of ingredients that will come together to create something truly special. Large stainless steel mixers, like giants in the bakery, come alive. These powerful machines are the backbone of the operation, tirelessly working to blend the ingredients to perfection. Flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and a touch of magic all blend together. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, from the structure provided by the flour to the sweetness of the sugar, the richness of the butter, and the binding power of the eggs. These machines ensure even mixing, crucial for a cake that rises beautifully and boasts a consistent texture. The even distribution of ingredients is key to achieving that perfect bite in every slice. Once mixed, the batter is poured into pre-sized molds. This step is essential to ensure that each cake bakes evenly and maintains a uniform appearance. These molds guarantee uniformity, ensuring each cake is the same size and shape. Consistency is vital, especially in an industrial setting where large quantities are produced. Then the cakes are ready for the heat of the oven. This is where the transformation happens, as the batter turns into a delicious, fluffy cake. Industrial ovens, often towering structures, bake numerous cakes simultaneously. These ovens are designed to handle large volumes, ensuring that each cake is baked to perfection. These ovens use precise temperature controls to achieve that perfect golden brown crust. The right temperature is crucial to ensure the cakes are baked evenly, with a moist interior and a delightful crust on the outside. Quality control is a vital part of the process. Bakers meticulously check each cake to ensure it meets the high standards expected in an industrial bakery. After baking, the cakes are carefully cooled on racks. This step is important to ensure the cakes set properly and are ready for the next stage of production, whether that's decorating, packaging, or shipping. Finally, the cakes are decorated and packaged, ready to be distributed to stores and customers. Each cake represents the culmination of a meticulous process, from mixing to baking to the final touches, and so the journey of the cake continues, from the heart of the bakery to the tables of families and friends, bringing joy and sweetness to every occasion. While the cakes cool, the focus shifts to the fillings, the hidden treasures within. Fillings add another layer of flavor and texture, transforming a simple cake into something truly special. From rich chocolate ganache to tangy fruit preserves, the possibilities are endless. Industrial production allows for large-scale creation of these fillings. Dedicated machines mix, cook, and cool the fillings, ensuring consistency in every batch. These fillings are then carefully stored at optimal temperatures, preserving their freshness and flavor until they are ready to be used. Now comes the artistic part, decorating. This is where skilled decorators transform a simple cake into a visual masterpiece. They use a variety of techniques, from intricate piping to artful smoothing of frosting. Airbrushes spray vibrant colors, stencils create intricate patterns, and edible decorations add a touch of whimsy and charm. Whether it's a simple birthday message or an elaborate design, the decorators bring creativity and precision to each and every cake. The success of any cake lies in the quality of its ingredients. Industrial bakeries understand this and prioritize the use of fresh, high-quality ingredients. Flour, sugar, eggs, butter, each ingredient is carefully sourced and inspected. Hygiene is paramount in every stage of the process. Bakeries adhere to strict cleaning protocols, ensuring a clean and sanitized environment. From the equipment to the work surfaces, everything is meticulously cleaned and disinfected regularly. This commitment to hygiene safeguards the quality and safety of the final product. Food safety is non-negotiable. Industrial bakeries operate under strict HACCP, or Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points guidelines. This system identifies potential hazards in the production process and implements measures to prevent them. Temperature control is crucial. Ingredients are stored at appropriate temperatures and ovens are calibrated for accuracy. This prevents the growth of harmful bacteria. Regular checks and record keeping are also part of HACCP. This ensures every batch of cakes meets the highest safety standards. From bakery to box, the journey of a cake. Once decorated, the cakes embark on another journey: packaging and transportation. Specialized packaging protects the cakes from damage during transit. Sturdy boxes prevent crushing, and individual compartments keep cakes from moving around. Refrigerated trucks maintain the ideal temperature, ensuring the cakes arrive fresh and delicious. Logistics play a key role, ensuring timely delivery to supermarkets, cafes, and event venues. From the bakery to the consumer, every step is carefully managed. Spreading the sweetness, marketing, and sales. Getting the cakes to the consumers involves strategic marketing and sales. Supermarkets, with their wide reach, are key outlets. Eye-catching displays and promotional offers entice shoppers. Online platforms are gaining popularity, allowing consumers to order cakes from the comfort of their homes. Bakeries also collaborate with catering services, supplying cakes for events and celebrations. This expands their reach and introduces their cakes to a wider audience. Social media plays a vital role, showcasing visually appealing images of their creations and engaging with potential customers. Cake collaborations, partnering for success. Collaboration is a recipe for success in the cake industry. Bakeries often partner with other businesses to create unique and appealing offerings. Collaborations with chocolate makers, for instance, result in decadent chocolate cakes that tantalize taste buds. Partnerships with local fruit farms ensure access to the freshest seasonal fruits for fillings and decorations. These collaborations not only enhance the quality and creativity of the cakes, but also foster a sense of community. Conclusion. A sweet ending. As we wrap up our journey through the world of industrial baking, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible process that brings those delightful cakes to our tables. From the initial mixing of dough, where precise measurements and high-quality ingredients come together, to the final decorations that add a touch of artistry and elegance, industrial cake production is a fascinating blend of art and technology. Large bakeries work tirelessly, employing state-of-the-art machinery and skilled bakers who bring their expertise to every step of the process. These dedicated professionals create cakes that are both visually appealing and delicious, ensuring that each bite is a delightful experience. The intricate designs and flavors are a testament to their creativity and precision. Adhering to strict hygiene and safety standards, these bakeries maintain a clean and organized environment. Every worker plays a crucial role in upholding these standards, ensuring that the cakes are not only tasty, but also safe to eat. The next time you enjoy a slice of cake, whether it's at a celebration or a simple family gathering, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken. From the mixing bowls to the ovens, and finally to your plate, Each cake has a story of hard work and dedication behind it. It's a testament to the hard work, dedication and passion of countless individuals in the baking industry. These bakers and workers pour their hearts into their craft, ensuring that every cake is a masterpiece. Their teamwork and camaraderie are evident in every successful production run where each cake is a result of collective effort and shared passion. So go ahead and savor that sweet treat, knowing that it's the result of a carefully orchestrated process filled with love and dedication. Each step from mixing to baking to decorating is meticulously planned and executed to bring you the best possible product. Designed to bring joy to your taste buds, these cakes are more than just desserts. They are a celebration of the art and science of baking. Enjoy every bite, knowing the incredible journey it has taken to reach you.